Hey guys, how's it going? My name is CK and today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic planter box. The tools you're going to be needing are a circular saw, a drill, and just your basic hand tools. As for the materials, all you'll be needing is some 8 gauge by 50mm stainless steel screws, basically any exterior screws. You'll need roughly about 14 meters of decking. The decking I'll be using is 90 by 18 gauge. So we'll be doing our cutting list now. You're going to need 14 of these, which are at 50 centimeter, and 13 of these, which are at 46 centimeter. Okay, now that we're done with our cutting list, it's time to assemble it. First off, you're going to want to put part A and part B together to form a square. You're going to want to mark all your part A approximately 10mm in for your screw line. You're going to screw part A to part B, making sure that the end is flush and the top. Now that you finish the first square, you repeat the same process for the next 3. Now that we've done the square box for the side, we're going to assemble the legs. What you'll need is 2 pieces of part A, and then we'll screw it together. Now that we've done the square box for the side, we're going to assemble the legs. What you'll need is 2 pieces of part A, then we'll screw it together. Okay, now that we've done assembling the side for the planter box, we're going to assemble the legs for the planter. In order to do that, you'll need 2 pieces of part A butt together at the end. You'll put 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom, to hold it together. Make sure to pre-drill the hole so you don't split the end. Okay, so your final should look like this. one screw at the top, one screw at the bottom. What you want to do now is repeat that process 3 more times. Once you guys got your legs and side piece assembled, we're going to stack the square on top of the bench. The top will be the bottom of the planter. You're going to want to start with one leg. Make sure that the square is tightly sitting on top of one another before screwing it off from the inside. Okay, just recapping that moment. So what you want is you want to put your legs flush with the top of the planter, and you want to make sure that the gaps are tightly and that all the decking are set tightly on top of one another before you screw from the inside. You want to screw from the inside because you don't want any screws showing from the outside. You're going to want to repeat the same process another 3 more times, so basically each side of the planter. Now that we've done screwing off the legs, we're going to be putting on our bottom. For that, you'll need a piece of decking ripped in half. You're going to want to screw this flush with the bottom of your planter box. Once you've done putting the 2 pieces in, you're going to want to flip the planter over and you'll put in your 5 pieces for the bottom. Once you have your base in, you want to screw it just to secure it. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY content. I'll see you in my next video.